Thank you, Super Plumber. You're my hero.
She might have the hots for you now, but when my revenge comes, it'll be best served cold.
The snow apocalypse. Temperatures are plunging well below zero and furnaces are going out all over town.
Finally, I got my revenge. Even Egg Jack Super Plumber can't defrost this town. The heat is on, Freddy Freeze.
With super plumbing powers comes super responsibilities, and I want to be your super plumber.